Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini kita akan ke Yogyakarta. Saya sekarang berada di Bandara Jalaluddin Gorontalo dan akan menuju ke Bandara Sultan Hasanuddin. Setelah dari Bandara Sultan Hasanuddin, kami akan melanjutkan ke Bandara Juanda. Dari Bandara Juanda kita akan naik mobil ke Yogyakarta, mobil minibus. Oke, mari kita lihat perjalanan kita dari Gorontalo ke Yogyakarta. Selamat menonton.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going right. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Sekarang kita sudah sampai di Bandara Hasanuddin Makassar dan kita akan menunggu keberangkatan selanjutnya ke Juanda. Sekarang kita lagi menunggu di gate 2.
Dia bungkus-bungkus baik itu Pak. Dari sana kamar itu ada yang masih dibungkus.
Padahal ada beli ini Joy, dodol. Kalau anak makan dodol nanti kelaparan itu. Ada dodol yang dia jaga.
So itu anak coba masakan pagi-pagi. Kalau anak suruh makan, makan.
Oke sayang. Pesawat dari Makassar ke Juanda mengalami delay, maka kami makan dulu ya guys. Makan coto Makassar dan ayam geprek. Setelah delay beberapa jam, saatnya kita melanjutkan perjalanan ke Bandara Juanda. Semoga tidak hujan.
Or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll see with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
sudah sampai di Bandara Juanda dan kita akan menunggu minibus yang akan menuju ke Yogyakarta.
Masih nunggu jemputan.
5 jam lagi guys, masih mulai bingung. Oke, next ke kota Yogyakarta. Di antara Surabaya dan Yogyakarta kita singgah makan dulu. Kemudian kita akan melanjutkan kembali perjalanan menuju Yogyakarta. Oke. Terus nonton kita ya. Halo guys, sekarang kita lagi singgah makan dan waktu menunjukkan pukul 10.52 waktu Indonesia Barat. Indonesia Barat tuh? Indonesia Barat. Akhirnya kita tiba di Yogyakarta, lebih tepatnya di Malioboro.